Hey guys, so today I want to show you here how to install one of these M.2 or NVMe SSD solid state drives into, here in this case, a laptop. We start out by shutting down the computer because we're going to remove the battery here in a second, and also we make sure that we don't have the power cord connected anymore. So that's why we don't want the or in this case the Windows system still to be up, so make sure your computer is powered down. And the first thing I do now, after I flipped over the laptop, I'm going to remove the battery here. You see here, this is this little lock icon. We're going to pull this lever to the side, and then we can just remove the battery, pull it to the side. And then from this point on, we really want to make sure that we are ESD protected, so no accidentally static discharge here. And now, after taking off the back cover, which contains a whole bunch of screws, so I'm going to fast forward this here. We're going to see here what we have, what kind of drives we have, and what is still open. You see here on the left side that's where already one of the M.2 SSDs is installed, and then there's here one more slot where we can install another one. And in case of this Lenovo laptop, I required this special tray here. Usually you don't need these with other laptops or other computers, but in this case I have to install the M.2 SSD in this tray. You have to make sure that you install the SSD in the right orientation. So check out the check for the key on your SSD card, and then match this up with the key on your board here, on the connector on your board. Make sure that you can slide that in right. So other than that, it's really easy to do this right. And as I said before, I have to use this tray here. So I'm going to first slide the SSD into the tray. And then you can see here this notch on the right side. That's where you have to put a screw in so that it doesn't move anymore. So we'll fixate the SSD in this tray here. And then I just push here this tray right into the slot. There should be a little click sound, just like that, and that confirms that the SSD is slid into the correct position. And now in this case here, there's a second screw here for the tray. If you don't have the tray, then just there's one screw for you to tighten down, and then you're already done. You just put the cover back on. Don't forget about the battery or your power cord, and then the next time you start up Windows, you're ready to format your new SSD drive. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, then please leave a message below, and don't forget to check out my other videos.